In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find unique visitors in Google Analytics using the acquisition reports in GA4. To get started, open Google Analytics and select the property you want to review. Then in the left-hand menu, click Reports. From here, open Acquisition. This section shows how people are finding your website or app, such as through search engines, social media, direct traffic, or paid campaigns. You can choose either user acquisition or traffic acquisition, depending on what you want to analyze. User acquisition focuses on the first channel that brought a user to your site, while traffic acquisition shows the channel responsible for each session. Quick side note: for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once the report loads, look for the users column in the table. This number represents distinct people or unique visitors during the date range you have selected. You can also use the date picker at the top of the report to adjust the reporting period and see how your unique visitor count changes over time. And that's it. You've successfully found your unique visitors in Google Analytics.